news! May na-reopen na naman tayong bank foreclosed unit dito sa Lancaster, New City. At Anika model pa na with improvement na. At guess what? No bidding. 1.8 million plus lang at located sa isa sa pinakasikat na township sa Cavite. Property details. This is the Anika Inner Lot located inside Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Lot area 60 square meter, floor area 60 square meter at ang maganda dito, with improvement na ang unit. Meaning, mas maayos na siya compare sa typical foreclosed units. Less gastos sa renovation, mas ready to move in, mas sulit ang value. Inside the house, you'll get 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, plus 1 powder room, 1 car garage, improved interiors, better finishing compared sa regular as-is units. Still, as-is where is, pero may added value dahil improved na. Price and payment terms, selling price 1,880,000 only. For a Lancaster home na may improvement, sobrang bihira to. Payment terms, 20% down payment, 80% bank home loan. Note, bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash, or bank financing. No bidding, so first qualified applicant gets it. Why you should grab this now? For closed units with improvement sa Lancaster, mabilis talaga maubos kasi mas mababa ang price versus brand new at mataas ang value dahil may improvements na. Plus, complete township na ang Lancaster. Schools, church, clubhouse, transport hub, shops, and community centers. Kaya perfect para sa families and investors. Free house tour assistance. Message us now para ma-schedule agad ang house viewing. Huwag na patagalin. Once maunahan ka sa requirements, mawawala agad ang slot. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!